So this is really giving the first-time home buyer flexibility. And kumbaga ba na you don't have to come out with any money.
Yun ang maganda.
Yeah.
Imagine, sa po kayo makakabili ng bahay na wala kayo ni singkunduleng na dinala.
Singkunduling, tama yan.
Sa ating mga viewers, yung mga especially first-time home buyer o yung mga ating kababayan na nangangarap bumili ng inyong bahay, ito na po ang sagot sa inyong dasal. Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
and welcome to our first episode of 2026
26
here at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Yes.
Hello Alvin.
Hello, Elizabeth.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's indeed.
Okay, did you had a good holiday, Christmas?
I had a great holiday, New Year's holidays. My boys were back here from the Philippines.
Oh, nice.
So they're having a vacation. Bumalik na sila so they can
Okay.
continue their nursing school. And I know you also, nandun ka rin sa Pilipinas eh.
Oo nga, I was
Oo
gone
nga.
for 25 days.
I
So
know,
we'll talk more about that
I would
on
love
our
to hear
next
a lot of that
episode.
stuff, definitely. Yes.
Oo. Pero ang topic natin today is about the California Dream for All 3.0.
Oh.
Yes, okay. So sa ating mga viewers, yung mga especially first-time home buyer o yung mga ating kababayan na nangangarap bumili ng inyong bahay, ito na po ang sagot sa inyong dasal. Dahil ang California government ay magbibigay sa inyo ng down payment. So let's talk about that. Alvin, can you tell us more about it?
Sure. Like what Elizabeth said, this is the third time around.
Okay, the California Dream for All.
Shared
Okay.
Appreciation Program.
Okay.
And this is your chance now. What I'm saying, this is your chance. Kasi marami din mga taong nag-apply for this one for the last two,
Last two rounds, di
last
ba?
two rounds
Kaso
na hindi
sila-
nakapasok, right?
Okay, so paano sila makakapasok
Okay,
this
so
time?
first of all, let me give the dates, di ba?
Oh,
Okay.
sige.
So first of all, the California Dream for All Shared Appreciation Program is basically a 20% down payment assistance given by the state, okay?
State of California. Okay.
Or equal to 150,000.
Okay, up to
Yes.
150. Oh,
So,
malaki yun ah.
talagang malaki yun.
Okay.
Either of yun, di ba? Right? And this 150,000 or anywhere in your 20%, you can use this as a down payment, partial, or you can use this as for your closing cost.
Okay,
Right.
so they could use for both or pwede silang mamili na
Which is which, correct.
ano lang,
Oo,
down payment
oo.
na.
So this is really giving the first-time home buyer flexibility. And kumbaga ba na you don't have to come out with any money.
Yun ang maganda.
Yeah.
Imagine, sa po kayo makakabili ng bahay na wala kayo ni singkunduleng na dinala.
Singkunduling, tama yan.
Okay.
And what it is that mga bullet points nito, okay, is that you have to be first-time home buyer, generational first-time home buyer.
Okay, I heard na dapat yung magulang mo walang ring bahay.
Walang bahay.
So talagang first generation.
Uh-huh.
Paano kung halimbawa yung tatay mo lang ang nagkabahay, hindi pa rin ano?
Hindi
Dapat
pa rin.
both
Hindi pa rin. And they're very strict about this. Kaya kung nag-apply kayo dito, what they do is they'll get the information.
So iba-background check sila.
Na may third party
to
na
make sure.
background checks talaga.
Ay, at
Background
hindi
check,
po kayo pwedeng magsinungaling kasi
Hindi talaga.
mortgage fraud. Alam
Yes.
naman natin, di ba, ang mortgage fraud, wala po yung statutory of limitation.
Yes,
So
yes.
pwede kayong balikan yan anytime.
Correct. So they're
Yes.
very strict about that.
Yes.
And yun ang isa sa pinaka-main, kumbaga ba na conditions or main bullet point you need to know about this California Dream for All, no?
Okay.
Shared Appreciation Program.
So besides first generation, what else?
You have to be at 700 FICO score.
Ay, mataas pala ang credit
Medyo
score
mataas,
niyan. Ay, sus
correct.
Mariosep. So,
Oo.
medyo marami ba i-eliminate?
So, dun pala marami na nadidisqualify, di ba? So, what I'm saying is that your
700
chances,
Wait, hold on. 700 minimum.
minimum.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pero hindi pa huling lahat. Pwede nyo pa rin pagandahin ang credit score nyo.
Correct,
Kasi, why?
Correct.
Kasi may window of opportunity, window time to apply.
Yes.
So tell us about that.
So the window or the portal will open for applying on February 24 up to March 16.
Of 2026.
So that, there's a little bit of a time in there.
Oo, so
Yeah.
so it's about what? Maybe about
Almost a month. Parang
February to March.
24 to 16.
So about mga
3 weeks.
5-6 weeks.
Yeah, mga ganon. About 6
Oo.
Yeah, mga ganon, no?
Mhm.
So what it is that 700 FICO score, right? Yun ang number 1. Number 2. And number 3 na pinaka bullet point na pagka mag-a-apply dito.
Wait. Before you go with that, when you say 700 FICO score, bawat applicant.
Bawat applicant.
So,
correct.
halimbawa mag-asawa. So,
Yes.
husband and wife,
Yes.
dapat parehong 700
Yes. Remember, because they
Hindi po-
always take the lowest of all. Yes.
Okay, so
you have to be-
minimum 700.
Yes, minimum
So, kung
700.
halimbawa, for example, mag-asawa at
Yes.
saka yung parents kasama, 4 sila.
Correct.
So, lahat sila kailangan minimum 700.
Kailangan nasa 700 sila.
Okay, when you say 700, kasi remember, we have 3 credit
Correct.
bureaus.
Mhm.
Experian, Equifax, and
And
TransUnion.
TransUnion.
So how do they get the 700? Do they just pick from those
So
3?
they'll take the middle FICO score.
Middle.
FICO
Yung
score, yeah.
median.
So the highest, you get the highest, you get the lowest, they'll take the middle FICO score. Yes.
Okay. So
Oo.
got it.
So
Okay,
that's one of the rules, second rules, okay?
Okay, what about third?
And then the third rule kasi nito, you have to take the education, first time homebuyer education from the Kalahapa, from the state.
Okay, libre ba yan? Do they have to pay?
There's 2 of them, one for shared appreciation
Okay.
education and one for first-time homebuyer. For the first-time homebuyer education link or first-time homebuyer education portal, you have to pay $99.
$99. Okay, required yun.
Required
Pero
yun.
may expiration ba yung certificate
Normally,
na yun?
it's 1 year.
So one time. So let's say California Dream for all for next year, 4.0, kailangan apply na naman ulit
Yeah,
sila.
apply na naman sila ulit.
So itong tanong ko, do they need to take that class until makuha sila or kailangan kunin nila yung class na yan bago mag-apply?
Good question. It is part of the requirements pag mag-a-apply ka.
Hindi, ang dami nilang let's say 10,000 ang nag-apply, hindi malaking kikitain ng state of
Correct.
California.
Kaya nga my suggestion and my advice, and as you know naman, Elizabeth, the last 2, as you know, yung first one naglast ng 9 days. The second one naglast lang ng 13 days, right?
Okay.
This time around, they're reserving $300 million for the whole California.
Pero last year was bigger, I think.
No, it's actually today's, this one is bigger,
this
the
one is
3.0.
big. 300 million yung
300 million.
budget.
And what it is really, if you really want to think about this California Dream for why they keep having this tells you one thing, Elizabeth, that the state is willing to invest money because that they know that the housing are not going to crash in California.
Yeah.
It's
Well,
just
not
gonna keep
only
going.
that,
Yeah.
it's just like kailangan kasi nilang tulungan tong maraming mga
Yeah.
mamayan ng mga
Filipino who wants the real
Filipino,
one. Yeah.
first-time home
Yeah.
buyer,
Yeah.
Americans, all that. Yun ang problema nila. Hindi sila makabili dahil nga
Yeah.
wala silang pang-down.
Yeah.
Or on top of that, malaki yung monthly nila kasi yung down payment nila maliit.
Correct.
Diba?
And remember, guys, this is not free though. Okay, right?
Okay, when you say not free, can you?
There's the reason why they call it 20% appreciation or California Dream for All Shared Appreciation Program. Okay?
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, if you refinance your home or you sell your home, you have to pay the state back the 20%. The original 20% that you borrowed.
Okay,
or was
pag
given.
nag-refinance, but you're only required to have refinance once, right?
Well, you're allowed to refinance once.
Okay, and then after that,
And after that, you have to pay the penalty or you have to pay it back.
or pay
Yeah.
it back.
Yeah, so
Oh.
if you sell or you refinance. But you are allowed to do one refinance rate in term if the rate has come down, right? You're allowed to do that. Okay.
But they need to make sure that it's a smart move
It is
for
a
them
smart
to
move. Yeah.
to actually do the refinance.
Correct,
Kasi
correct.
paano kung halimbawa $50 lang ang masisave mo, di...
Yeah. So I'm not expecting people to go ahead and refinance within
Right
a year in
away.
this one, no, right? So but I just want to let everybody know that it is being given to you as I wouldn't say a loaner kasi wala namang bayad to, but you do have to pay this back if you refinance or you sell your home.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, ang naano ko lang dito is, kung magre-refinance ka, wag ka magre-refinance after 20 years. Kasi with all that appreciation,
Correct.
I mean,
correct.
20% mapunta sa kanila.
Yeah,
diba?
but remember, you don't want to you don't want to sit on your equity for a long time and just keep growing.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you don't want to, you want to be able not to share the whole, equity that you have.
Malaki yun, di ba?
Malaki talaga. But
Yes.
the good thing about this naman, Elizabeth, is that where can you find a program where you have a possibility to have no MI?
Okay, what
No
is
second
MI?
a mortgage insurance.
Yun, mortgage
Yes, yeah.
insurance.
So what happens, Elizabeth, is that when you borrowed more than 80%, so meaning if you're putting down less than 20%, meron
Yes.
tayong MI or mortgage insurance, right?
Okay.
That's
gotcha.
one thing. Not only it's gonna make your monthly payment a little bit more, or actually dramatically more lower, but wala kang MI, right? And also, Elizabeth, you're using the state money to work for you. You can equity,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
Right?
Yeah, kasi sayang di ba?
Sayang if you qualify.
Okay, so also, alam ko lottery to, di ba?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
let's talk
yes.
about that. How do they do the lottery? Kasi we have about, 58 counties in California?
Correct. Yes.
So, paano nila ina-allocate yan to make sure everybody get their fair share?
There's really no formula. There's really no way of how they do this. They never told us, right? But what we've been seeing, Elizabeth, is that they intend to kind of like go to where the lower loan limits county, because they can
okay.
utilize those 300 million more. They can help me.
But is that like, did they announce that, or this is just a theory for you?
Well, it's kind of like a theory for us, because we're kind of like seeing, at the end of the day, they want to be able to know, or to be able to find out, or to able to see what they can do to kind of like, how can we utilize the 300 million more for more family?
Correct.
Right? Kasi
Oo.
kung isipin mo nga naman, kung nasa Bay Area ka, bibili ka ng milyon, di ba? Right? That means, you're using much more.
Oo nga, kasi
20
kung 300 billion, hindi 300 families lang yun.
Correct. Oo.
Yes.
So it's not, So it's
Paano kung tig pa 500, di double, tig 600
So we feel like they're
families.
more really into sa mga mga counties that has lower limits, right? Loan limits. We're seeing a lot in San Joaquin County.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask you, the last one, the California Dream for All 2.0.
Yes.
Have you actually, how many did you qualify?
I actually did 8.
Okay, pero did any of them got drawn?
5 of them got drawn.
Oh, out
5,
of 8?
yes, and then the 2
Ang
late.
swerte naman.
So then the two, the one ngayon lang pumasok from the last one.
What do you mean? Ngayon lang pumasok?
Yes,
Ang
ngayon lang
tagal,
siya-
ba't ang late?
Yeah, ngayon siya, kasi yung mga iba talaga up to now sa second one are still being qualified.
Wow.
Oo,
That's
yes.
interesting. Ang tagal. Pero ang
Kasi yung mga iba na na-qualify na, 'di ba? Na-find out nila nung dumating yung approve sila when nakabili na sila ng bahay. Hindi sila naghintay.
Ay.
Yes,
Bakit
yes.
sayang.
You know what I mean? Yes. So maraming nalalaglag sa listahan which they're try to go ahead and maraming
Hindi,
pumapasok.
bakit hindi nila i-follow up?
Hindi
ng
kasi
status?
bibigyan ka ng number eh. You have number when you get picked. Right?
Okay, so teka muna, bakit hindi nila alam i-check? Yung para bang nag-a-apply ka ng ng petition, di ba?
Correct. Yes.
So, matagal,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Years and years.
Yeah.
Bakit hindi nila i-check kung ano yung status pang ilang number na
Y-
sila?
yun nga kasi they're gonna give you a number, right? And then you're gonna find out like my client was number 300. 300,
Wow.
301 to be exact. Right? So, sa kanila, sabi na maghihintay pa ba tayo ng another year dito? Right?
Pero, I mean, I'm just like really odd about, you qualified 8 people, 5 of them got picked out of the lottery.
Yes.
Wow, that is
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. So ano
ba yun? Swerte ka lang ba talaga?
No,
o what?
kasi it's all about preparation.
Okay.
Elizabeth,
So
okay?
tell us. How do you prepare to make sure na
So,
mapick ka?
the number one,
Okay.
you have to put in your application first. Like, don't do it the last minute.
Okay, so unahan.
Well, I would say,
Akala ko ba lottery?
yeah, yun nga, pero this is my own experience, di ba?
Okay.
Right? Okay? So, kasi kung lagi-lagay nyo ng the last minute, I don't know, there's so many application, right? Hindi ko
Okay.
alam kung makakapasok yung iba, right? You know what I mean, right?
Okay.
But at the end of the day, like I said, we have great success if you put your application like to the beginning. Yeah.
Okay, kasi I remember the very first one, the
Walang
California Dream for All 1.0,
Yeah.
mag-a-apply yan.
Yes.
Pero dahil hindi na lottery, I think it doesn't matter because they'll just open the portal of window for
Correct.
everyone to put in.
Correct.
And then parang ibobola yan na lottery and then you get picked.
Correct. Yeah. I mean,
So-
again, based on my own experience, no? Right?
Okay.
Kung actually, I'm sorry, 12 yun, nakapasok yung 5,
Oh, okay.
tapos yung 2, hindi nila nakuha, naghintay sila ng matagal, right?
Mm.
By the time na turn na nila okay na, nakabili na sila ng bahay.
Mm.
Yeah. So out of the 12, 5 lang yung nakapasok. Pero what I did is talagang prep them from the beginning. They get the education all set, na sila, the day that the portal opens, pinasok na namin kaagad. Yeah.
I see.
So let's
Okay.
not wait the last minute kasi your chances talaga to be in there right away,
Okay,
it's a
okay.
big chance, I
So
think.
you
Yeah.
have those 3. Ano pa? Besides, what about income limit?
There's an income limit in every county.
Okay, so
Oo.
there's like
Sa median
this is
income.
we're talking about the 4th qualification.
Yeah, the
So
fourth
can you
qualification.
articulate yung tungkol sa 4th
So
qualification?
every county has different county limits or
Okay.
loan limits, right? Loan
Okay.
income limits. So you have to be in a median loan limit, yung middle na tinatawag yung 80%.
Okay, so let's say for example, ang income ko just for easy math
Mhm.
is let's say 100,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang loan what do you call this?
Loan income limit.
Ang income limit, what would that be?
So dito sa
Sacramento
County, I believe it's at 120.
120.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, as long as it's below 120, pwede.
Pwede.
Okay, gotcha. Pero
And the more household you have, the more
mas malaki.
yes.
So mas
Yeah.
maraming tao sa bahay ninyo,
Correct.
mas malaki.
Yes.
So the best way really is talk to your local loan officer
Mhm.
na approved ng California Dream for All. Kasi silang
The preferred lender.
yung
Correct.
preferred lender kasi sila ang nakakaalam ng lahat ng mechanics
Yeah.
and details about the program.
So you have to follow what county you're buying. Hindi katulad yan. Dito ako nakatira pero bibili ako, sabihin natin, bibili ako sa ibang county, di ba? To whatever county you're using, yun talagang dapat titirahan nyo.
Okay,
Yeah.
wait a sec. So if I live in Sacramento County,
Mhm.
but I work in Solano County,
Yes.
so saan ako mag-apply?
No, I'm just saying we have to follow the Solano County loan
Doon lang
loan
ako
income.
nag-work.
Yeah.
Pero dito ako nakatira sa Sacramento
Yeah, pero
County.
doon ka bumibili ng bahay eh.
Hindi, bibili ako ng bahay sa Sacramento County.
Kaya nga, so we follow the Sacramento
O kung
County.
saan ka nakatira at saan ka bibili.
Correct. Oo. Kasi
Hindi,
maraming confusion diyan. I have a
Okay.
client, sabi niya, Alvin, but I'm buying in LA, right?
Okay. Wait, let me ask you this question. Paano kung halimbawa kasi gusto kong lumapit dun sa trabaho ko, which is Solano County.
Correct. Oo.
Pero sa Sacramento County pa rin ako nakatira. Then how is that gonna
Well,
be?
we're gonna have to follow where you're gonna buy the house. What the county is that?
Where you actually gonna wait
Exactly.
to buy. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
So don't get
Okay.
confused on that because a lot of people said, "Hey, Alvin, I should have a better county limits, right? Because
Yes.
this is where I work." But no, we follow whatever county your property is gonna be at.
Okay, any other qualifications
Yeah.
besides those four?
So those are the 3 main things lang talaga.
4.
Yeah. Well, yeah. The number 1, the first-time home generational,
Okay.
right? And then the FICO score.
FICO score. 3rd is
And then you have to take those
Classes.
Classes.
and then 4th is
Of course, the
income limit.
income limit. But it all depends on your scenario, what income you have. So which that's why it's very important for everybody who wants to get into this program to apply now.
Pwede na
Let's get
sila mag-apply ngayon.
Yeah, pwede na pre-approved na lang. Right?
Pre-approved tapos isasubmit on
Sasubmit na lang.
February what?
February 24.
24 to April,
No, to March
March what?
16.
Oh, February 24 to March 16.
So that's a little
Oh,
bit about 3 weeks lang yan.
Oh, 3 weeks lang
Yes,
pala.
mm.
Akala ko April.
So what
Okay,
happened
okay.
is this, right? When we pre-approve you or any lender pre-approve you on this one, you get the pre-approval letter.
Yes.
The client or the borrower will have to apply by themselves sa portal ng Calhafa or the state of California.
Okay,
ng
so,
Calhafa.
Oh, okay. I have a client na approve siya.
Mm.
Yung 2.0 California Dream for All.
Yeah.
Kaso, wala siyang nahanap na bahay during that time.
Okay.
Kasi parang nag-aalanganin siya. Kasi at that time, mataas pa rin interest eh.
Mm-hmm.
Nasa 7.5. So, pinalagpas niya wala siyang nakuwang bahay kasi nga nag-aalanganin siya sa monthly payment.
Mm.
Pwede pa ba siyang mag-reapply?
Pending pa rin ba siya o active pa rin ba siya or tapos na? Kasi remember, there's only a time limit where you have
Hindi na. Tapos na. Nag-expired na.
Then she has to reapply. Or he has to reapply.
Okay.
Now, however, the education cert is good for 1 year.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Kasi ang nangyari sa kanya, sabi niya, hindi, gusto niya yung program. Kaso nung nakita niya yung monthly payment, parang sabi niya, di ko to kakayanin kasi mag-isa lang siya. At that time, the interest rate was 7.5.
Yeah. And this is with the 20%, right? Of course, the California
we
okay.
shared appreciation.
Okay, all right.
So which is the interest rate have gone down like more than 1%
So
compare it was before. So where is it?
Right now, we're at 5.875.
Wow.
Yes.
So that's like almost what? 1.5. Almost 2 points.
Almost 2 points. So this is beautiful talaga. Sobrang, we're 2026, Elizabeth, we're seeing the rate dropped. And with this California Dream for All just about to kick off, it's just going to stir up the market.
Okay. Yeah. So where do you foresee the interest rate foresee the interest rate is going to be in 2026 with everything going on?
Okay. Here's what I'm seeing. I believe, or what I think, is we're probably going to see under 5% rate.
Okay, before the end of 2026.
Before the end of 2026.
And why do you say that?
Okay, so here's why. Number one, when President Trump announced that he's going to go ahead and ordered to buy $300 million worth of mortgage bonds. Okay. This really stirred up the market. So the last time this happens, Elizabeth, was 2020 up to 2022.
Okay, it did went down.
Yeah, the rate tanked.
Okay,
right?
pero bumalik ulit. So why?
Yeah.
Why did it go up again?
Well, it could go. It could many reasons, right? I mean, we have the war. We have a lot of things going on around the world that stir up the market. But this is a great indication that we already know that the inflation is down. And you know naman, Elizabeth, one of the main reasons why rates goes up because of the inflation.
Yes.
Yeah, that's one of the key elements, right? We know that the inflation has gone down already. And with this help, with our President Trump buying the mortgage bonds, $300 million, this is dramatically will help you.
I know, but that just one time. Do they need to buy again to further ibaba ang rate?
Well, that's $300 million. They're not going to buy it all at once. They're going to buy it kind of like,
So
continuously.
what you're saying is yung 300 million na binili, pakonti-konti lang yun, hindi yun one dump.
Yeah. Kasi you don't want to just go ahead and do it. You don't want to tank the rate.
In-announce lang niya?
Yeah. No, while you're in the Philippines.
Bumili na ba sila?
They haven't bought it yet, but the market reacted already.
I know.
Why do you think we're seeing 5.75, 5.875?
Okay. Kasi ganito, every time nagtitweet siya.
Yes, yeah.
Everybody reacts. Parang reactive, di ba?
Yeah.
So
that's what it is. But I think it's here to stay. But I think it's here to stay. Why? Number one, the Fed's chairman is going out the door or going to be replaced.
Okay.
As a big key element as well. Inflation, we know it's down already. Look at the gas prices, right? It has come down already. And then, of course, this news about Trump buying the mortgage bonds.
Hindi lang yun, Alvin. What I noticed too is, think about it, a lot of, lalo na yung tayong mga Pilipino, ang dami kasing mga nangyayari.
Sobra.
Yung ice, rain,
yes,
ganito.
Yes.
I mean, I have some of my friends, yung isa sa kanila nadampot. Tapos, na-detain for 2 days. Tapos pinakawalan din. Pero a lot of uncertainty na nangyayari.
This is what market is all about, right?
Yeah, some of the business are even closing because some of their employees are,
Yeah.
So, where do you see yung confidence? Parang nawawala yung confidence. Kaya ang inflation bumababa.
Like I said, number one, it could be anything. Number one is the Venezuela oil that we recently just took over the control, right? That's one thing, right? That's a big part of our inflation. That's why now Trump could get this $300 million because we have money coming in, right? One. Number two, inflation is really the big part. Inflation has gone down no matter what you say, right? It's all over the reports, right? That's really one of the key elements of the rates.
Pero the thing is, of course, we want to ipabahala na natin sa kanila kasi sila ang mga expert. And
Yeah.
I'm sure they know
Yeah.
what they're doing.
Yeah.
Pero as long as hindi i-manipulate na, sige pa, temporarily ganito,
Yeah.
mababa, tapos
Yeah.
later on, if something happens, then mag-shoot up na naman.
Yeah.
Katulad ng nangyari during pandemic special.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look what happened. Now, with all that pandemic special, we are suffering because
Yeah.
of that.
Yeah.
Dahil talagang yung prime rate, ginawa nilang 0.
Correct.
And we went frenzy.
Yeah.
And look what's happening right now. Pinagbabayaran natin yung nangyari doon.
Yes. Well, that's why timing is everything, Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Timing is everything. You don't know what's gonna happen. Like I said, nobody
don't know.
Nobody holds the crystal ball, because if anybody knows this, then ano na sila, bilyonaryo na sila. But you have to time it, right?
Yeah. So ang masasabi natin sa mga nakikinig po ngayon,
Yeah.
when the opportunity presents
Correct.
like this, tulad dito, California Dream for All,
Yeah.
huwag niyong palagpasin, take
Yeah.
advantage of it. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit babalik
Yes. Yeah.
or kung tatanggalin nila.
Yes.
I mean, hindi po we can't hold the
Yeah.
future, pero yung mga opportunities
Yeah.
na ganito, kailangan take advantage.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na tayong mga Pilipino.
Correct. And again, like I said, nobody really knows how the rate is gonna go for the next 6 months. But all we know, based on the lending side, is that we're seeing it going down.
Okay.
Right.
Have you seen like people refinancing
I'm
as well?
doing a lot of refinance right now,
Okay,
Elizabeth.
maraming
So,
nagre-refinance.
maraming nagre-refinance.
Kasi bumaba interest rate ng 1 to 2 points or what?
Correct. So I'm going to give you an example. Some of my clients are at 7.25%, or maybe
Mm-hmm.
7.5%.
Okay.
They're now getting locked in at 5.875, under 6%.
Under 6.
Yes.
Pero magkano masisave nila doon pag ganun?
So normally sa mga pag more than 1.5%, you're probably
Mm.
looking at anywhere from $800 to $700.
Ang laki nun
Malaki
na.
talaga. And at the
Pang
same
grocery, pang Costco na yan.
And at the same
pang
time,
gas.
you now have a chance to remove the MI, or the MI to be lowered.
Okay, so yung kasama yung 7,800 kasama na doon yung MI.
MI being lowered, yes.
okay.
It's a huge difference.
Oo
no?
nga,
Yeah,
lalo
yeah.
na ngayon ang mahal na ng lahat. Imagine toll bridge, $8.50.
$8 na.
Nagulat nga ako eh.
Sobra. Alam mo nung isa. I'm like, what's going on
Paano
here,
kung San
right?
Francisco ka, $17
Alright.
bawat tawid mo.
Akala ko ba bumaba na yung inflation, di ba? Pero $8, $8.50 ba? $8, right?
$8.50.
Grabe. Kaya pala yung asawa ko nagtataka.
Kung double bridge,
Oo.
that's $17
Sabi niya,
bawat tawid.
Bakit ang laki nito? Sabi ko, bakit? Magkano lang naman yung mahal na pala. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Kasi
Oo.
kasi hindi naman na tayo nagbabayad, naka-fast track tayo, di
Oo
ba?
nga, nire-read lang yung
Mabilis
ano mo.
lang.
Correct.
By the
So
way, let's
anyway.
go back to the California Dream for All Children Appreciation
so
Program.
let's recap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Portal's gonna open on February 24 up to March 16.
Okay.
Okay. My advice for everybody who wants to get into this, 20% down payment assistance or equal to 150,000. Get you in. Let's get review. Talk to your lenders. Review you right away so you can go ahead and apply. When the portal opens
And
up.
if you have any question, you
Yeah.
could actually get hold of
Alvin Reyes here, Supreme Lending.
And
We're
what's
doing
your
a lot of
phone
stuff.
number?
It's 925-667-1205.
Okay, there
Yeah.
you have it.
Yes.
So ito po ang ating expert sa California Dream for All from Supreme Lending.
Yeah.
And if you have any real estate question, at syempre, ang unang-una po natin kailangan gawin is first step is consultation.
Our consultation,
You could
yeah.
also reach me here at 916-730-8053.
Yes.
Okay, until next time, I hope you learned something today here at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Don't forget, guys, you snooze, you lose.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.